Okay. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ang gagawin natin ay eyelash perm. You see, I have this kit for a while now. Actually, ang tagal na. Kasi matagal ito sa akin. Nagamit ko na siya once at I liked it, kaya lang may nagawa akong mga mali. And I did film that, kaya lang hindi siya na-record, na-corrupt yung file. So, ngayon, nainis na lang ako. So, ito siya. I bought this from Shopee. Mat ko na yung price, but I will link it down below. But it didn't exceed 350. Parang 200, 300, ganun na. And when you open it, ganyan ang laman. Aba ng, it has lip pads na may mga, sabi dito kasi 5 pairs, kaya lang 4 pairs lang yung dumating sa akin. And it has specific sizes, depende sa inyong mga lashes. And I will be using the largest one because I have really long lashes. Tool, cleaning tool na I believe clean off first. I use this para mapataas. Perm, the fixation, and then the nutrition cleanser, and then false lashes glue na pangglue doon sa lip pads. Sa likod niya, it has instructions, so hindi ka maano. So, use the cleanser number 4 to remove oil, dust, and makeup residue on your eye. Ito ang super cute. I can show you my nails, ang pangit, but using this cleanser, kulang tayo ng pad. And then, let's clean off our eyes. Meron siyang stopper. And if you have yung mga pads, yung parang ginagamit ng makeup artist, yung ginagamit ng makeup artist para hindi yung eyeshadow, yung fallout may mag-catch. You can use that. But I don't have. And there. Are you? Zoom in na ba? Okay na ba yan? Is that zoom enough for you? Just zoom in sa eyes ko talaga. Here. There you go. Wait ko lang ng konti. And then, at the top, I'll be putting lash glue again. Always. Isa-stick natin yung ating mga lashes. I'm using this. This comes with the kit. Lagay lang natin sila dyan. Ryan, I'm crying. Here. No, here. Yeah. So, this is how it looks now. Next step will be to use firm lotion and eyelashes and cover it with that took me forever, and then we have to remove it. To remove using, of course, yung plastic wrap. Ito yung ginamit ko kanina, but hindi ito yung ginamit ko kanina, diba? It comes tatlo siya. So, tatanggalin natin yung perm lotion with the use of this. Meron siyang parang brush. You push it to the side. Every swipe, i-ano na lang sa isang cotton or ano, para tanggal talaga siya. Monster House. And then I will leave this on for 10 to 12 minutes again. Again with the why the Lila brush. I'm sorry for the dry joke. It's beautiful. The cleanser, let's go back to the cleanser. Going back to the cleanser. And pag natin na siya, I will do the other one, my other lash, and as you can see, it looks good already, and I will do this, and I will show you the final results.
Yeah. Whoa, I'm so pretty and you like that.
For today's video, it's now 5:20 and I've been doing this since 3 and it's almost 2.5 hours since nag-auto. That's why I look not the most pleasant right now. I retouched my lip tint at made me think na maybe I want to do this with my eyebrows. I don't know. Baka gawin ko dito. And for aftercare, I will follow the advice of the esthetician that did this to me professionally before. I will not put this for 12 hours, so starting now, until 5 p.m. tomorrow, 5 a.m. tomorrow rather. So I will follow that, but I did research and 24 hours sabi dun, but not put it for at least 12 hours. So I'm going to follow that because since sinabi ko nga pangalawang beses ko na tong pagpa-perm ng lash ko at home, and nung unang try, I followed the 12 hours rule and nothing really happened, so I think I'm going to follow that and actually ask it with the estheticians before nila ako. Pwede daw lagyan ng mascara, that is a possibility. And did my eyelash hair fall out? There was, may isang nahulog, may isang natanggal, but isa lang naman, nakita ko kanina. And ngayon parang wala naman nahulog, wala naman natanggal. So, safe na safe siya for me. Just follow all the instructions. Mag-i siya niya after 1 month. Actually, after 1 month, parang medyo okay naman siya. And then nung medyo tumagal na, nung nag-wear off na yung mga chemicals, medyo hindi na siya maganda. And advisable ba na every month ito gawin? Sabi, after perming, you have to wait for at least 8 weeks for you to perm again. But I don't actually perm every month. Parang pag-gusto ko lang to. So, I bought this last year pa. And since nung una kong perm, ito na yung pangalawa. So, hindi ko siya ginawa monthly because it takes up too much time. And I think I don't want to ruin my lashes because too much of everything is bad for you, of course. So, if you do your research kung pwede ba siyang every month, but nabasa ko at least 8 weeks. So, ngayon, yung perm mo ngayon, after ng 8 weeks, pwede mo na ulit siya i-perm, lalo yun sa aking research. But I will, doing yung initial research ko before, naalala ko lang ngayon, but I will put sources sa baba of when you can perm again. Pwede siya ngayon actually, nung kesa compare dun sa una kong perm, kasi before medyo hindi ko nagustuhan. Sobrang curly niya. That's because I used the 2 medium. Kasi may apat yung size. Mayroong apat yung size ng lip packs. 5. Pero 4 lang yung napapunta sa akin. May small, medium, medium 1, medium 2, at large. Ang ginamit ko is yung medium 2 because I don't think na it will really affect. But kung ginamit ko yung medium 2 na lifting pad, ang pangit niya. Sobrang curly niya. Hindi na siya yung, as in parang yung ni curl ng curler yung below. Parang ganyan na siya. So, pangit. So, it pays that if you really try and if you have lashes like mine, kaya ko naman yung length kanina, use the largest pad. But if you have, hindi naman masyadong mahaba, you can use the small or the medium. But it pays na kailangan mo talaga gamitin yung right tool. Hi, Brian. Gamitin yung right lifting pad para maganda yung effect. And now, maganda kasi tama na yung ginamit ko na lifting pad. That is it for today's video. I hope you like my video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will try to upload more. I'm planning to do more content. What? I will link on my social media down below, but I am now on a social media break rather than YouTube, of course. I'm not really currently using any of the Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter because of personal stuff. I've been dealing with so much lately, and I want to shoot a video to lift myself up a little bit. And I really am a little anxious with the start of the term, so this is my coping mechanism, and I really hope that you like this video because it took me so much courage for me to film and appear happy. But ayun, I'm sorry for sharing. I've been really distancing myself from many people lately, and I've been the emotions have just been bottling up. That's why maybe I am sharing beyond my intention. And ayun, I've been talking so much, and this outro is 8 minutes and 9 minutes. And I don't know how to reduce it to make it less, boring. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you. Bye bye.